go to the sample database and the tables, just scroll down and we are looking for the table production.product review. This is the table we will be using in this scenario. Let's see the data within this table. So let's write a query. Product review. This is going to be the table in this scenario. Here. You can see many columns within this table, but we are interested in only 4 columns. So let's rewrite this query so that only these 4 columns are displayed in the output. So the first column is going to be the product ID. The second one is going to be the reviewer name, the person who left the reviews for this particular product. And the third column we are interested is the rating. And the fourth column is the comments. So this is the fourth column we are interested in. Let's execute this one. You can see only the 4 columns in the output. So it's pretty easy to see reviewer name and the ratings they left for the products and the comments they gave for each product. Okay, let's see the requirement. So the requirement is to list the comments with more words in order to get more insight about a product. So basically we need to find the comments which has more words so that we can get more insights. So let's see how to get the comments with more words, because it's like difficult to count every comment column. So let's rewrite this query, order by. Then in order to find the characters in these comments, we use a function called len, which is going to return the length of the column. And then we are going to use the keyword DESC to find the comments with more characters at the top. So when you execute this one, the output you can see got like shuffled. The comments with more words got at the top and the comments with less words got to the bottom. Let's verify this. Just go to Google and type a word counter so that we can verify the words in the comments. So if you copy the first comment and you paste into the tool, you can see these many words are there. So total 643 words are there in this comment. And let's check the second comment and see how many words are there in this comment. Go to the tool. You can see just 89 words in the second comment. And let's see how many words are in the third one. You can see just 65 words. So you can see that the comments got ordered in a way such that the comments with higher words, the comments with more words got listed to the top and the comments with less words came to the bottom.